Hi guys! Is your community having trouble hearing you in Discord voice channels on your PC? Let me show you how to fix this. Subscribe to Guidementary and let's go. So either in desktop application or in browser version you need to go to settings, click on this gear icon next to your profile picture, then scroll down to voice and video, and here you have input volume control. Make it maximum and let's check to not overload the channel. It seems okay. And one more place to control your sound input is system settings, so hit the Windows button on your keyboard, go to settings, click on search bar and type in input sound devices. Select this option, manage input sound devices. It takes you here. Make sure you are in the system sound on the input section and adjust your input loudness. Once again, test your microphone in Discord and ask your friends if your sound is okay. I hope this was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.